I'm really looking forward to exploring this topic with you in Cincinnati. Hi, I'm Michael Harden. I'm an assistant professor and chair of the business department at Illinois College, where I teach courses in management, marketing, and finance. I'm excited to be attending the NBEA annual conference to share a session called Transforming Business Education with Custom GPTs. In this session, I'll show you how custom GPTs can be used to create engaging, career-focused experiences in the classroom. I'll walk you through how my students have used them in hands-on activities and as study partners outside of class. Now here's the fun part. We'll actually build one together during the session using your ideas, and no programming skills are required. One thing you'll get from this session that you probably won't find anywhere else is a real-time, interactive look at just how easy it is to create your own interactive AI activities and integrate them into your classroom in a way that is practical and student-centered. I'm really looking forward to exploring this topic with you in Cincinnati.